If you dislike the look of cellulite on your thighs as much as I dislike it on my thighs, I've got really good news for you. It's these Skinnies, which have been seen on Shark Tank. And I did receive these as a gift from the company so that I could try them. I want to show you how they work and what I like about them. So let's take a look at my thighs. I used one on one side, this side, and not this side. Hopefully you can tell. Let me show you how to do it and how well they work. Here are my cellulite thighs in all of their glory. You can see the dimpling. Here's the skinny tape. So see, the bottom part is squared off. The top part kind of comes to a point, or at least a triangle a bit. So the bottom squared off part is what you're going to do first. So pull the backing off and place it on your leg. It's important, no lotion, no oils, things like that. I'm sure you understand that. And rub this part for 4 minutes. Then you are going to pull that top part up. So I started to pull the tape up, and then here, you see how I'm pulling that up and it's smoothing out my skin. And then you're going to take the backing off and press that to your skin while you're still pulling. And then you want to rub that part for 2 minutes, and there you can see the difference between the two. So I am a bit farther away from the camera, but I hope you can see the difference in how much smoother this thigh is than this one. These are so great, easy to put on, easy to take off, and wear them with skirts, shorts. I mean, they're kind of pretty awesome. So I do recommend these, the Skinnies. You saw it for yourself, they work. If this video was helpful, I would love it if you would hit the like button. And while you're down there, go ahead and grab the link from the description so you can go get some of these for yourself. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you can see more product reviews of cool products like this. Thanks.